You must hold your head high and don't let it fall down. They want you to fall down. They want you to quit and they want you to give up. Just give it your all now. You just gotta start now. Mama told me I would be the one. I see what she saw now. Mama told me I would be the one. I see what she saw now.
Here, look at my. It's a rainy day and I'm not even used to waking up in the morning, first of all. But I'm actually about to be on my way to New York in a little bit. My mom is getting me an Uber to basically get there. So I just got here in New York. I'm here to pick up my Visa card from the Chinese embassy so I can go to China. Last night my mom called me and told me it was done and I like literally cried. A lot of y'all asked me how I felt about it and I didn't know until yesterday because now it's finally happening. Like, I couldn't go anywhere without my Visa card, and now that it's done I can rebook my flight so I can move. And I'm just having mixed feelings right now and I think I'm getting emotional talking about it, but I just want to thank my mother. Firstly, I want to thank God. Obviously, I want to thank all my supporters and I just love y'all. I just thank y'all for being here with me the whole time. But yeah, so the embassy isn't far from here, from where I got off the bus to get to New York. It's not too far. So yeah, I'll let y'all see it when I get it. Bye. I'm at the embassy now and the line is so long. It's so long. But we aren't allowed to have our phones and stuff here, so I'm gonna get off and I'll talk to y'all after I get out. I'm back from the embassy and I have my visa. I have it. So the whole process is complete. I'm gonna show y'all real quick, because y'all need to know all my information. There you go. That's it. That's all you gotta know. That's all you gotta know. But yeah, and it's about to rain in New York. It's probably done raining in Philly, so I was gonna stay tonight and like party or something because it's a Friday and I'm in New York. Why not? So, but if it rained and I'm leaving, I got to go back home. That was a long process, but it was fun. It was a little stressful, but we made it through. So I'm excited. Now all I have to do is rebook my flight and then I'll leave. And then the adventure starts. Thank you, bye. So guys, I have to make an announcement. I booked my flight and I'm leaving on Monday. Today is currently Thursday. The date that it is right here. And yeah, so I'm leaving in 4 days. So guys, that is my mother. She's leaving me. So far we have a lot of stuff done. I have to just pack my clothes and I have a whole lot of clothes here. I just gotta do that and then that's it, really. I gotta clean my room and throw stuff out, all stuff like that. And I told y'all that God had a plan for me. I just wanted to say that, remember how I had that Sixers audition and I told y'all that I was going to China from August to February? I honestly think God got a plan for me because this season was supposed to start in August. I'm supposed to go to China from August to February dancing. So aside from me not making a team, I still have good news. L'Oreal will be in China from August to February and I love you guys so much. Well, I'm going to China on Monday, like I said, y'all know that. But if you was actually watching the Sixers thing and the highlights, you know that this was happening. So if that was you, it's lit. And I'm not going there from August to February anymore. I'm actually staying there for a year. I'm moving there and I might stay there for 2, depending on if I like it or not. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. It's a 22-hour flight. And it's gonna be September 10th. The next day is September 11th. Who got time? I am a little nervous though. But for the kids who are watching, keep yourself inspired. If you have anything that you love to do, do it. And don't let nobody stop you. Not your mom, not your dad, not your teacher, not your friend, not your cousin, not your uncle, not your grandma, not your niece, not your nothing. Do what you do. Stay consistent. Have a dream. Pray. Believe what you pray. Do what you pray. And you will succeed. That's all it is. And like, I'm just I'm just having mixed feelings. I couldn't go back to Philly anymore. Like, just leaving this morning, like, from my house was, like, low-key emotional. And I didn't even want to, like, leave. But the time is coming to an end. We're at the airport. And, yeah. We're at the airport. And I'm more shocked than anything now because it didn't feel real until now. So, I'm shocked. So, I'm going to my gate. And this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for the next one. Until then, see you.